Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. How are
Good
you,
evening,
ma'am?
beta. Saran, have you done with your exam?
Yes, ma'am.
How was the exam?
Good, ma'am.
Okay. So after the exam, after the class, kindly share me your question paper, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Children's screen is visible.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I sent you.
You have sent me the doubts. I'm checking it. Okay. In a class test, the sum of Arun's marks. This question, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm explaining.
इसमें पैसा उड़ाना होता है सही बात एक बोल पे हाँ सही
Now, what are we going to do today?
We will discuss the question paper. Okay, that CBSE has released that question paper so that those who are having exam, they will get lot of questions from that. Okay. So see, in a class test, the sum of Arun's marks in Hindi and English is 30. So when he got 2 marks more in Hindi and 3 marks less in English, the product of the marks would have been 220. Find his marks in 2 subjects. So you will let
Ma'am, you are not
Hindi
sharing
marks
the
be.
screen. Ma'am.
Yes, beta?
You have not shared the screen.
Okay, okay. Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So let Hindi's marks be X and English marks be Y,
Why?
right? Yes, now you have given sum of marks is equal to 30. So value of Y will be 30 minus X, right? This is your equation 1.
Yes.
Now you have given 2 marks more in Hindi and 3 marks less in English. So according to the question, new marks in Hindi, it will be more. So X plus 2, right, beta? New marks of English, it will be less. So Y minus 3. Their product is, it means X plus 2 and Y minus 3 is equal to 210. Clear? So now, put the value of Y as 30 minus X here. So X plus 2 into 30 minus X minus 3 is equal to 210. Now, Sumuk, I guess you can solve it, right, beta? You will get the quadratic equation.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess only problem is that you are not able to form the equation, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and in the last at last 10 minutes, can you once explain the upstream and the low stream from quadratic equations?
Which one?
Upstreams and low streams.
Okay, see upstream and right away only. See, what is your upstream? Upstream means when the boat is moving along the speed of the stream. Okay. Suppose stream is flowing in this direction. So upstream is this called, let the speed of stream be X and speed of motor boat be Y. Okay, beta. So speed of motorboat in upstream. Upstream means and downstream. Downstream is in the direction. So speed will be x plus y. You will add both the speeds. Okay. This is called downstream. And upstream means when stream is flowing in this direction and your boat is coming in reverse direction. Clear, beta? It is moving in reverse direction. That is called upstream. So you will write in upstream x minus y kilometer per hour. Fine, beta?
Yes.
So these two things you need to, and then formula for calculating time. Time will be distance upon speed. Okay. So in this type of questions, you have given two different distances, upstream and downstream, and the time taken by the boat in downstream and upstream. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, beta? Sumuk?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now see, children, this is a CBSE sample paper. Section A consists of 20 questions of 1 mark. This is a blueprint also. And I will show you the marking scheme also. Okay. See, the graph of the quadratic polynomial Px passes through the points minus 6, 0, 0, minus 30, 4, minus 20 and 6. So you will plot the graph first of all. So minus 6, 0, suppose this is minus 6. So it will lie here only. 0, minus 30. So here only. Right, beta? 0 minus 30. So on
Yes, ma'am.
y-axis it will lie. So 0, minus 30. And then 4, minus 20. X-axis is 4 minus 20. So it will lie here only. Then 6, 0. Now tell me how many zeros are there?
3 zeros.
With the graph. 2 zeros. And zeros are minus 6, 0 and 6, 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So answer will be minus 6, 6. Dharya, Abhinav, Aryan, Sumok,
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the value of k for which the system of equation is inconsistent. So which system is inconsistent? Tell me.
-1.
Minus 1. System is minus 1.
No, ma'am.
Then which system is consistent?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
I am sharing once again. Tell me linear equations. We have studied lot of systems, right? First, there were 3 cases. One for intersecting lines.
Ma'am, is
Second
this-
is one for.
Ma'am, is this question from the question from linear equations?
Yes. It means system is consistent when it means it has solution. Fine.
Ma'am, actually, I don't have it for my exam, so I don't.
A linear equation is not coming.
Ma'am, we don't have linear equations.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, is it -5?
So 3 by 6 is equal to minus k by 10 is not equal
is
to 7
minus
by
5.
3.
It
Right?
is -5.
Now cross multiply. Minus k will be equal to 10 into 3 by 6 minus 5. Clear, beta? Inconsistent means, what do you mean by inconsistent? Consistent means having solution. Inconsistent means no solution. Fine? Understood?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
it's not in syllabus circle. See, if nth term of AP is this, then find the common difference. Moksha, tell me this answer.
Ma'am, can I tell you my syllabus for tomorrow's exam?
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, we don't have arithmetic progression and linear equations in one variables. We have polynomials, quadratic equations, triangles, coordinate geometry, introduction to trigonometry, statistics, and probability.
Okay, okay. So here nth term of an AP is this. So put value of n as 1. So first term will be 7 minus 4, 3. And second term will be 7 into 2, 14 minus 4, 10. Then your common difference will be D will be A2 minus A1. So 10 minus 7, it will be 10 minus 3, it will be 7. So this 7 will be the answer. Clear, children? Now come to this question. Question number 6. If tan theta, this type of questions definitely came in your exams. See, tan theta is equal to 5 by 2. Then find the value of 4 sin theta plus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus cos theta. Aryan, any idea? Moksha, Abhinav, Sumuk, Dharya.
Ma'am, sin theta, ma'am, we can first of all
And we can change it
P
to
by V, ma'am, equals to 5 by 2. Then
We can do one thing. See, simplest method. We can divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. So you will get 4 tan theta plus 1 upon 4 tan theta minus 1. It is clear?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Put the value of tan theta. 5 by 2 minus plus 1 upon 4 into 5 by 2 minus 1.
Ma'am,
2.
we can do in another way also, no, ma'am. But it
Yes,
takes more time.
yes. But it will be very lengthy now. And it carries only 1 mark. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 to the 10. It will be 11 by 9. First part.
Ma'am, if addition and subtraction are there in the denominator and the numerator, how can we cancel?
What? I have cancelled only multiplication part. See this part only.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, now question number 8, children. A quadratic polynomial having zeros. So what will be your polynomial? Solve it fast in your notebook. Don't waste your
Uh,
time. You will get your polynomial. Moksha, are you there?
ma'am, is that minus root 5 by 2?
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, I think the answer is B.
Which is the answer?
B.
B. Okay, let's check. See, zeros are this. It means x plus root 5 by 2 is the factor. Second will be x minus root 5 by 2. Right, children? Now multiply them. So it will be x square minus 5 by 2. Now cross multiply, you will get
Option B,
2x
ma'am.
square minus 5. This is minus sign or plus sign?
Minus and plus, they have given both.
So it will be this only, na? Root 5 by 2, but option is not there according to it. So we have got only x square minus 5 by 2. 2x square minus 5 by 2 only. This is our polynomial. But from here we can check 4 common. 2x square minus 5. I have doubt in this minus part. Minus. Give me a minute. Yes. 8x square minus 20 is the correct answer. B part beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is consider the distribution of 45 observations. The upper limit of the median class. Now observations are how many beta? 45,
5,
right?
45.
So find n by 2 first of all. So 45 by 2, it will be 22.5.
50. Okay.
So let's check 5 as it is. We will write cumulative frequency. The 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 5, 29. 29 plus 10, 39. And it will be 45, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
22.5 lies where?
20 to 30. 30 is the upper limit.
Yes. So 20 will be the, 30 will be the upper limit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Dharya, Abhinav, Aryan, Moksha, please reply, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, circles are also
Abhinav,
not there.
Moksha,
When did you call me? I was not
yes. Where you were?
there. I went to drink water.
So at least you have to told me, na, Abhinav? I
thought
was calling you.
I
Okay.
thought you were
So the,
distant.
okay. The roots of the quadratic equation are, check the roots. How we will check?
By finding the discriminant.
Discriminant b square minus 4ac, right? So 1
Rational and
square,
distinct.
Ma'am, they are irrational, ma'am.
yes, beta.
Oh, wait, they are rational. Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
roots
think
will be,
they're rational and distinct.
yes, roots will be rational and distinct. Rational means they will be real because real number contains rational as well as irrational, right, beta? So irrational, rational number they will contain because discriminant is 5. Now next is find the value of this. If theta is equal to 30 degree, find the value of 3 tan theta. What will the value? Do it fast.
Ma'am, 3 root 3. See, ma'am, 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3, but 3 is also there,
Oh,
children.
sorry, ma'am, 3 root 3, 3 root 3.
3 by root 3, right? Because 3 tan 30. So 3 tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 3 by root 3. Now next is question number 14. In a bag containing 24 balls, 4 are blue red. So total balls are how many?
24.
Now you have to find the ball is white in color. So how many are white color balls? 9.
9.
Number of white color will be 9. So probability of white color will be beta 9 by 24, right?
9 by 24. Yes, ma'am.
So 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 20. Clear? Now question number 15. The point on the x-axis nearest to the point -4, -5. Draw the point, hurry up. -4, -5. It will be lie here only. So which point will be nearer?
-4 and 0.
-4,
0.
yes, correct. Now, which of the following gives the middlemost observation of the data?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
median.
Yes, median. A point on the x-axis divides a line segment joining 2, -3 in the ratio this. The point is. Now see, beta. X divides. It means point should be x, 0. So two options will be wrong. Right? Now we have to choose from these two, A and C. So now apply the formula. What is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus
Plus m
ny1
by 1 by m
upon
plus
m
n.
plus n. Now x, 0 it is.
Yes, ma'am.
So value of x we need to find. So x will be equal to mx2. M is your 1, x2 means 5, n is 2, x1 is 2 upon 1 plus. Now solve it. X is equal to 5 plus 4 divided by 3. So it will be 3, 0. Got it?
Yes,
Tell me,
ma'am.
beta.
Ma'am,
Understood?
18th one is B.
Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 18th one is B, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of playing cards. So total playing cards are 52. And getting red face card. So how many red face card will be there? 4, I
26.
guess. 4, beta.
Yes, ma'am. 4, 4.
So 4 by 52. See, face card, no, 3 red cards. See, 1 king is there, 1 queen is there, and 1 jack is there, right? Okay. So 2 red and 2 black. So 2 kings are there of red color, 2 queens are there, so 6 by 52. Now solve it. 2 3 ja, 3 2 ja. 26. D option will be the correct answer. Clear, beta? What do you mean by face cards? In which face appears? As king face is there on
Okay,
the
ma'am.
king card,
Understood. But,
queen
ma'am,
is
but
there.
it is 2 by 26 now.
Why? 2 by
Yes,
26 or 3
understood,
by
ma'am.
26?
Understood. Ma'am.
Okay. Now see, HCF of any two consecutive natural number is always divisible by 2. Yes. And even natural numbers are divisible by 2. Correct? So it means both assertion and reason are true. And it is the correct explanation. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to section B. Find the HCF and LCM of 480 and 720 using prime factorization. So this question you can do, right, beta? Do this. Two dice are rolled together bearing this number. Find the probability that product of the number obtained is an odd number. What will be your answer? Turn on your camera, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do it.
They are saying Two dice are rolled together. Numbers they have given. So our favorable outcome will be 7, 7. Right? And then 7, 9, 7, 11, 9, 7, 9, 9, 9, 11. Okay, just wait. I will show you the blueprint also of CBSE sample paper.
Screen is not shared.
Just wait. Screen is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I have asked you this question, right? Total number of possible outcomes will be screen is visible, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now see. See, if you will write this total number of possible outcome, if you will write this thing only, you will get half marks in your board exam. See. See on the screen, children. And see, for a product to be odd, both numbers should be odd, right? 7 sevens are 49, 7 nines are 63, 7 11, 77, 9 sevens are. So favorable outcome. And then number of favorable cases, it will be 1. So till here, if you will do, you will get half 1 mark. Okay. And then this, you will get then half marks, more marks. If you will do this, you will find the probability. So in this way, CBSE checks the exam papers, question paper, answer sheets. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this the question of 2 marker?
Yes, beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see next question. Next is how many positive 3-digit integers have 100-digit 8 and unit digit 5? Find the probability of selecting. Now see also. I'm going to share both in your group. Okay. Marking scheme also and see sample question paper also. Okay,
Ma'am,
beta?
can you send this?
Yes,
Mean,
beta. I'm
the
saying this
answer
thing
key.
only. Answer key and question paper both I will share. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the total number of digits are 900. So numbers with 100 is 8. So it will be 8. It will start with 8 only. And unit place digit will be 5, 15, 95. So number of favorable outcome will be 10. So 10 digit would be there having unit place digit as 10. So favorable probability will be 10 by 900. Clear? Now see, 2 sine square 60 degree. So 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 whole
3
square.
by 2.
And 1030 is 1 by root 3 whole
1 by root
square
3.
divided by sec square 45 root 2 whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now solve it. 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 upon. This will be cancelled. So say take the LCM 6. 9 minus 2 upon 2. So it will be 7 by 6 into 2. 7 by 12 will be the answer. Clear, beta? Now find the point on the x-axis which is at a distance unit from the point x comma 5. So it means that second point will be x comma 0, right? Speak up, children. Then you will find distance between these two. So under root x minus 8 whole square plus 0 plus 5 whole square will be equal to root 41, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Squaring both sides. So x square plus 64 minus 16x plus 25 will be equal to 41. So now 64 x square minus 16x, 25 and 64. it will be 89 is equal to 41. So x square minus 16x plus 89 minus 41 will be equal to 0. So x square minus 16x, 9 minus 1, 8, and this will be 4. Now do the prime factor, do the middle term splitting. Okay, beta?
Ma'am, I posted a doubt in the chat. Once can you check in?
Okay, I will check. I have not received a winner.
In direct chat, ma'am. Like in Zoom
In
meet.
Zoom chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, there is no need to draw the table, ratio table. You can draw this ratio table on the rough column, in the rough column only, for your reference. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, because I did it and now I'm scared if they're gonna cut marks for it.
Maybe it depends on the mood of the evaluator. Right?
Yes, ma'am, because I drew the table and I referred from it.
So see question number 26, triangles. There are two questions. B is it option. In triangle ABC, DEF are the midpoints of BCC and AB respectively. Prove that triangle FBD is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. So how we will solve it? Any idea?
BF is opposite to DF, DE. And we should prove by A.
We have to prove this. First of all, you will write given, right? This is a 3-mark question. This and this you have to prove. So first is DF is common in both the angles, both the triangle.
Ma'am, last year there was a formula, no, ma'am, midpoint.
Yes. So it will be half now.
Yes, ma'am. Then FE will be perpendicular, say,
Yes,
parallel
by
to
midpoint
BC,
formula, it
and
will
then
be BD will be equal to half of FP, right?
yes, ma'am.
Not BD, BC will be half of FP because BC is parallel to FP, right? And this is a parallelogram also. So opposite angles will be
Ma'am, it's
equal.
ulta, ma'am. FE
Ma'am,
will be
FE is equal to half BC.
Yes, FP is equal to half BC. Fine. You can, there is no need to use this, else you will not get. First of all, this is a parallelogram only. Right? By midpoint formula, the line should be parallel. So BD will be parallel to FP.
Ma'am, transversal FE and BD.
Yes,
B.
see this.
Alternative indication.
So now opposite angles will be equal and this will act as the transversal beta. So this angle will be equal to this and this angle will be equal to this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the triangle will be similar only by A similarity, right? In the same way, you can prove this DEF and ABC. How you will prove this?
Ma'am, it is parallel to AB.
Ma'am, angle C common.
Yes, angle C is common, correct. Any other thing?
ma'am, angle B equals to angle E.
Angle A is
Ma'am,
equal to
Angle B
Ma'am,
equal to angle E.
ma'am, how is angle C common?
Angle C is not common, Abhinav. It is the angle DEF and ABC. See,
Ma'am, angle B equals to angle E.
how?
Opposite,
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, opposite. No, ma'am.
opposite angles.
Yes. And one more third thing.
Ma'am, angle A is equal to angle D.
Yes, this is also a parallelogram, right? So opposite angles of parallelogram because A, if you have remembered in grade 9, you have proved also this thing, that this is a parallelogram. Have you remembered?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I
So by that criteria only, the angle A will be equal to angle D. So you will write opposite angles of parallelogram AFDE. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now these two triangles will be similar. Now next is
When does
this.
class end?
Just I'm going to end it. And I will share both PDFs. One is for sample question paper and one for marking scheme. So you all will go through it. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am, for sending it.
Okay. Now see in triangle ABC, P and Q are the points on AB and AC such that PQ is parallel to BC. How you will prove it?
Ma'am, by BPT.
Yes, by BPT only you will prove it. Okay? By
Yes, ma'am.
converse of BPT, you will prove.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to share with you. Kindly solve it. Moksha. Moksha, can you hear me? Sumuk, you are having your exam tomorrow only, na? Best of
Yes,
luck,
ma'am.
beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Moksha, can you hear me? Today you are not responding in the class, beta. Speak up. Okay, fine. Tomorrow you will be having your math exam. When it will be? Okay, Moksha then. Bye-bye, beta.